Lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with a new video for you. And as you can see, I'm also back with a new background for you guys. Well, it's really for me, but I hope you guys like it. This is not finished. I still have a few things to get, but this will be like my vanity area where I do makeup and hair and filming and you know, stuff like that. So I got to get my mirror and the lights, but when it's done, I will definitely do a little tour for you guys so you can see, you know, my hair products, makeup, where I got everything from, all that good stuff. But for now, let's jump right into this video. Now, I thought I would do a face shampoos video because I just think, you know, a lot of times people forget about shampoos or no one puts a lot of stock in them as far as videos. We're all worried about the styling products and our curls popping and the definition and all that good stuff, but shampoo is important, you know. It can make a difference. So I thought it'd be helpful to tell you guys what my favorite shampoos are right now. So let's get started. The first product I'm going to talk about is a shampoo for clarifying curls. I know in the past I've just kind of use Aussie and Garnier Fructis, and I still use those products, but I feel like there is, you know, room for some quality clarifying shampoo. It doesn't always have to be cheap. So I want to tell you guys about the As I Am Curl Clarity Shampoo. This shampoo helps to remove any buildup on my curls, on my scalp, and getting that squeaky clean feeling. Don't look for a lot of detangling with this product because it's stripping everything from your hair. I've been using this in place of my cheap shampoos for the past few months and I'm happy with the results so far. I haven't had any bad experience with it, and because I don't use it that often, I have a good amount left. So if you're looking for a curl clarifying shampoo, I would recommend As I Am. To me, the price is pretty reasonable. I've seen some clarifying shampoos out there for insane amounts of money and I'm just like, no thank you. But As I Am normally has a pretty good price point. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box below, so if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, just go ahead and use those links in the description box. Then the next product I'm going to talk about is my go-to just everyday type of shampoo. It's not a clarifying shampoo, it's just your regular shampoo for washing curly hair, and that is the As I Am Long and Luxe Strengthening Shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos because it detangles my hair while I'm washing it. I'm able to use my tangle teaser very easily while I'm washing my hair with this, unlike the Curl Clarity shampoo, or is it, yeah, Curl Clarity shampoo. It doesn't leave my hair squeaky clean, which is not what I want anyway, because I just use this in between wash and goes and styles. I don't necessarily need to clarify my hair when I'm using this, so I like for my hair to be detangled and nice and slippery when I'm using this shampoo. The next shampoo I'm going to mention is good for dry scalp. If you have a lot of dandruff going on, a lot of itchiness, if you've been wearing your hair in a protective style with like braids or anything like that and you want something to really relieve that dryness and itchiness, I would recommend the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid Minty Guava and Kiwi Shampoo. This feels so good on my scalp. Y'all have no idea unless you've tried it. It has an intense minty breezy feel. I know some people don't like that, but there are a lot of people who do, and I'm definitely one of those people. And the thing I like best about this product is the nozzle. It makes it so easy to apply this product directly to my scalp, and it makes it a lot easier for you know, the pre-process that I do with my hair before getting in the shower to wash my hair, like the detangling and sectioning. You can detangle your hair and in each section apply this before getting in the shower. That way when you're in the shower, you can just let the water hit your scalp and rinse it all out. It doesn't have a whole lot of foam to it, so it's not like it's going to be dripping all over. So you can apply this directly to your scalp before even getting into the shower and save so much time. I can't tell you how difficult it is to go from putting the shampoo in my palm to my scalp. It just doesn't feel like I'm making the connection, so I end up using more shampoo than I feel I should be, and it just doesn't feel like it's getting the job done as well as if I would have had a nozzle. I feel like every shampoo bottle should have a nozzle like this. A pump is good for when you're just washing, you know, your strands, but in order to get it on the scalp, you need something to really get in there right away, because I wash my hair with purpose as far as not retangling it. I don't do the whole this thing all over my head because it just will tangle my hair and make it much more difficult to comb it when I'm out of the shower and getting it ready to style. I like to create as little friction as possible when washing my hair at the root because I don't want to create a lot of tangles. And with this nozzle going directly into my scalp, it makes that very easy for me. Now, the next product is a product I haven't even been using myself. I've been using it on my husband Alex, because if you guys are new to my channel, he's been growing his hair out for the past few years. I'm thinking it's going on 4 years maybe. And his hair has grown pretty fast over these past few years, and he never really had an issue with dandruff before when he was just wearing his hair in a regular haircut, and I'm assuming because it was much easier for him to wash his hair. But now that he has long hair, he doesn't really take care of it the way that he should, as far as like sleeping with a do-rag or a cap on his head. He doesn't oil his hair. It's just so many things I have to make sure that he does in order to keep his scalp and his hair really healthy. And so he's been struggling a little bit with really dry scalp. And ever since then, I've been on the hunt for like a really good shampoo for him to cut the dandruff down a lot. And the product that I've been using for him is the Guerlain Hair Clarifying Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse. This has really helped to cut back on his dandruff. It's not gone completely, but I've seen a difference. I don't even use this on myself because I just want to save it for him. I can use something else, but his scalp seems to really be responding well to this. So I thought it was really important to include this in the video. And the funny thing about this situation is Alex hates the smell of vinegar. Like, hates it, doesn't want to taste anything that has vinegar in it. Even if you can't taste the vinegar, if he knows there's vinegar in it, he doesn't want any parts of it. But when I use this shampoo in his hair, he can't even smell the vinegar. I don't know what that's about, because he can smell it any other time and when it's in the room at all, but the smell of vinegar is so subtle, if there at all. I mean, I feel like I can smell it a little bit, but maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's my imagination. So don't be concerned with that. I know some people think that's gonna make my hair smell like vinegar. Trust me, it doesn't. I've used straight apple cider vinegar with a little bit of water in my hair. I wasn't able to smell the vinegar after the fact. So a cleanser that just has vinegar in it, don't worry about that. But if you have been struggling with dry scalp and you can't seem to find a product that works well, I would encourage you to try this cleanser. I reviewed these products a few videos back. I still think they're great products. They work really well for him. So go ahead and give it a try if you need something to help with your dry scalp. Now, the last product I'm gonna mention is not yet a favorite because I just bought it, but I feel like it's gonna be a favorite, and it's just such a smart product, I couldn't not include it in this video. And that's the Myall Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Now, the reason I'm including this shampoo in this video is because I think it will be really helpful for a lot of people. When people ask me what products can I use to help grow my hair, this will be something I recommend, because rosemary is an herb that helps to grow your hair naturally, and the fact that this product includes biotin will be another reason why I would recommend it as well. Biotin is a nutrient that helps with hair growth, nail growth, the health of skin, but in this case hair. So I just really like the fact there's like a double whammy with this product. You can get two very strong ingredients that will help with hair growth. It does have mint in it. It doesn't have that cool breezy feeling like the Main Choice product I mentioned. It's not super strong. I know some people are turned off by that, so don't let that deter you if you are looking for something to help with the health of your hair. What I will say about this product, and I've only used it once, but I noticed right away that I had less shedding. I'm not making no promises that it's gonna do the same for everyone else, but that was just my experience. And this is coming from someone who sheds a lot of hair when it's time to wash her hair, because I wait so long to do it sometimes. And this time was no different. I think I had waited almost 2 weeks to wash my hair, and I didn't have that much shedding in the shower. And I was so grateful for that. And I'm thinking, was that the shampoo? Because I used this shampoo on my scalp. So I'm just saying, I think you should give it a try. Myall Organics is a really good product company. You can never really go wrong with them. I feel like their products are really great quality. And yeah, if you're looking for something to help with thinning or hair fallout or reducing of shedding, I recommend this shampoo. Now that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. If you want me to do another phase video, let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime though, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Notification gang, let me see in the comments. Go ahead and hit that bell if you haven't already, so you'll know exactly when I post a video. And as always, thanks for watching.